How to trade options on TigerTrade. Step 1. In the stock page, click on the Options tab to enter the options chain. You can scroll at the top to select different expiration dates. Move up and down to change the strike price, and move left to right to view more indicators. Click the small gear icon to enter settings, where you can switch the list layout to a T-type. Here, you can adjust the order of different data items. Click here to switch your strategy. In single leg mode, simply click on any contract to enter its quotes page. Here, you'll see real-time bids and ask prices for the option, as well as key factors like the option's volatility, intrinsic value, time value, and also the real-time price of the underlying asset. You can set alerts for the option and add it to your watch list to track it easily. Choose to buy or sell, taking buying as an example. If you opt for limit order, enter the price and quantity, then click Buy to submit your order. You can also set a stop order before submission. Click on the P&L to view the strategy profit and loss analysis. Once your order is executed, you can view corresponding position details in your portfolio. Back in the options chain, you can also select a vertical spread strategy. Click Default to modify the default spread range. When you click on a specific spread combination, two corresponding options will pop up at the bottom. You can switch and click on any leg to view the details of that contract, or click on the combination to enter the combination details. Click here to change direction. Click here to switch between buying and selling. Click on Profit and Loss Analysis to view the profit and loss analysis of the combination. You can also add the combination to your watch list to track it with ease. Click Trade and enter the price and quantity, then here to submit your order. Once your order is executed, you can view combination position in your portfolio. Unfold the menu for quick actions. If you'd like to try demo trading, go to the app's homepage and switch to the demo account. The process is much like real trading. You'll see the Demo Buy and Demo Sell button during the simulation.